If you've ever wondered how that hard-earned paycheck seems to vanish in the blink of an eye, you're definitely not alone. Warehouse work means muscle, sweat, and a paycheck that sometimes stretches a little too thin. But hidden in those daily grind stories are real-life budgeting tips, passed from one worker to another, that just might make your finances easier to handle. Let's talk shop. Warehouse workers often juggle irregular shifts. Maybe this week there's overtime, next week it's fewer hours, and every holiday season all bets are off. That unpredictability can make budgets feel shaky, but a few practical steps can help bring some order to the chaos. The first secret, know exactly what you're working with. Picture Kendra, who's been on the fulfillment line for 3 years. She starts with her base pay, but always records any extra shift pay or bonuses. She's got a notebook, worn and coffee-stained, where every deposit gets a line. Why? Because those little extras add up and can't be forgotten when rent is due. Now meet Luis. He's new to the warehouse, working his way up, but life's taught him the hard way not to overlook expenses. His trick, splitting out every cost, rent, groceries, gas, each goes into a separate column. He color codes his budgeting app, and at the end of every week, he knows exactly where his money went. That one $60 tab on takeout, he noticed fast and slashed his delivery habit in half. But it's not just about tracking where the money goes. It's about thinking ahead. There's Amber, who remembers the year her car broke down and she didn't have a dime set aside. Now, she tucks $40 of paycheck into an emergency fund, no exceptions. Over time, those little deposits quietly add up and offer a cushion when life throws a wrench into the works. Warehouse budgeting means being honest about what you need and what you want. Do you really need another streaming service? Or would that money be better off knocking down your credit card balance? Budget-savvy workers often use what's called the 50-30-20 rule. Half on must-pay essentials, 30% on the things you want, and the rest on savings or debts. Sometimes the best teacher is a tough week, like the month when unplanned medical bills hit or groceries ran high. The stress of running short once usually means next month's budget gets a reality check. The most experienced workers know to look back every month, see where things slipped, and make changes. It's not about being perfect. It's about being ready to improve, bit by bit. You don't need to be a math whiz to start building better habits. You need a system. Kendra loves her old-school notebook. Luis swears by color-coded spreadsheets. Amber trusts her budgeting app. Find a tool that's simple for you and nail down those categories. A typical month for a warehouse worker could look something like this. $4,000 earned, $1,500 out for fixed bills, rent, utilities, $1,000 for life's necessities and fun, $500 groceries, $200 gas, $150 entertainment, the rest for unexpected stuff. What's left? Some goes to savings, some to paying down that stubborn credit card. Don't forget to check in with yourself. Did you slip and order too many takeaways? Admit it. But try cutting one next month. Did you get a surprise overtime shift? Awesome. Decide where that extra cash can do the most good. Maybe finally starting that emergency fund or adding a bit more to your car payment. If budgeting hits a bump, say you overspent or face a surprise bill, shift things around. The flexibility to borrow from one category, like dining out, keeps you on track overall. And if you're really struggling, remember, most people who succeed with budgeting didn't nail it the first time. They adjusted, learned, and kept going.